Hello, welcome to my channel. I'm just gonna jump right into the video like y'all know I like to do. So one thing that you definitely want to make sure you have is one of these brushes. Want to make sure you have some type of circular brush, because especially if your flick of the wrist ain't hitting, baby, you can't just be sitting here, you can't brush. You gonna have to roll, you gotta roll that thing, okay? So get you one of these. This little inexpensive behind flat iron is freaking amazing. It's the Baby Bliss Pro porcelain ceramic flat iron. Oh my gosh, this is such a good freaking flat iron. So first things first, you want to get your hot comb and just flatten down your part. That's the only part. I just flatten it down just a little bit. We're not trying to sleek it down. And then with your real hair, you either want to stretch it if you're going to be doing this with your natural hair, or you want to like do the tension method where you hold it and you use the blow dryer. And then you want to go ahead and just comb out. This hair is so pretty. I made this unit on my sewing machine, which is my first time using my sewing machine to make a wig. So this is with no product at all in the hair. That's another thing too. You want to keep your hair, if you're going to be using like a weave or something, even with your hair, you do not want to load it down with a whole bunch of products. That's what's going to make it so you don't get those nice fluffy bouncy curls that you want after you do your little shaky shakes, okay? What I'm also going to do is I'm going to take the front part here. I am going to layer it. I'm looking at the mirror right here in front of me. So, and I don't need my layers to be perfect. It doesn't matter to me. Kind of like long bangs, kinda. Okay. There we go. So we got some nice thick layers. Let me make it just a little bit shorter. I'm gonna take another layer from the front and make it even a bit more short. Like this. Okay. There we go. Okay. Now you can just start curling. Take one section, brush it out, and you want to give yourself, I'm talking just the extra-est curl you can possibly think of, boo. Curl the hell out of that thing. I feel like my layers aren't short enough. And like I said before, it's all about the volume. So it's okay. I'll take it. It's not laying down. Why it's not flat? Because it's supposed to be big. Let it be big, girl. Y'all, there we go. So pretty. The brush gonna come into play. Just not yet. Hold on. I think this is also better if you have a an actual curling iron. But if you don't be sad, don't be mad. Hold up. See it already? It already want to do it. Girl, I'm about to look like a whole. Hold up. I hope you ain't getting hungry because I'm about to be snackish. No, I'm playing. Anyway. Okay, so my camera died and I hit this one up for a little bit. Now let me just tell you this, the key to this is big curls. Do you see this? I think this is a 1.5 inch. So these aren't going to be like, they're going to be big because I know how to make them big, you see what I'm saying? But if you have a curling iron that is like this big, your curls are going to look even, your curls are going to look even better. Just big old super big curling iron. So hold on. I'm just gonna grab this whole chunk. I'm really not trying to Yeah, I'm gonna curl all of mine like this. I am so excited to go to the range. It's Thursday. Yes, I'm curling mine like this since mine is longer. Yeah, since I have longer, I'm just having a hard time seeing y'all, so don't mind me. I'm leaning to the side because I'm looking. Trying to make sure I don't leave it out. Ended up doing it anyway. God damn it. So all I'm doing is just holding it like this and then bringing it down. Wrapping it around the barrel, then bringing it down. And then you just leave it. That's what they're looking like. Don't touch them. I'm scared to shake mine because I don't know if my wig is secure like that. I'm gonna shake it though, but I'm definitely scared to shake it. We're not perfect. I'm not perfect, okay? I'm just showing y'all how to do it, how I do it. I'm about to check and see if I got the back good. How it's looking, y'all. It look good enough to me. Okay, so now I'm going to take my brush here. Bunch all of the curls together. Not apart. I'm trying to mix them in with one another. Like so. Okay? And I'm turning it as I'm brushing it. Turning it as I'm brushing it. See how they're getting all together like that? Girl, I'm just about to shake it. I can't even wait no more. I just want to shake it. Okay, let me just relax. I'm so excited. It's so pretty. Look at how pretty it is. Let's shake it. Let's shake it. Here we go. And bam, Farrah Fawcett, boom. Girl, I'm about to tease it some more. I'm ready to tease it a little bit more. It looks so pretty, like. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really hope you enjoyed my tips and tricks. I hope that y'all are safe out here, and I will see you in the next one.